Okay, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook fan page. How to connect your Facebook fan page to your Instagram account, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. So watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of it, and do it to like, subscribe, follow, and comment. Okay. So what you do, you come here. This is our Facebook profile. Your Facebook profile is different from your Facebook page. So this is our Facebook profile. I have to switch to my Facebook page. So click this icon here. Do that. Once you do that, we are now in we are still in our profile section. You click here to switch to your page, and then we have our Facebook page here. Okay, so we click that and allow it to process. So once you are here, you go to the menu. Once you click the menu, it brings you to this page. You scroll down and click settings and privacy, and then you click settings. Okay, and then you search for link. You can use the search bar here, or you just scroll down and look for linked accounts, and then you click Instagram, and then you click connect accounts, and then you click continue. Then you put your Facebook password and then click continue. Put your Instagram username or email or mobile number, and then you put your Instagram password. You click login. So you click login as just click that button. Congratulations, you've successfully connected it. Okay, just click continue. So you can see that Instagram connected. Okay, congratulations. Click OK. Let's go back. Click the back arrow. So click linked device, linked account. You can now see we are now connected. Congratulations. That's how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. And if you love this video, please support us. Like, follow, comment, subscribe. As you follow us, we'll be giving you more updates on how to do stuff. God bless you.